morning, stampers. My name is Juanette, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Recently, I posted a video tutorial with this card using the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set, but I also included these little rosebuds, and I had 3 different subscribers ask me to show you how to make those rosebuds. So I want to give a shout out to Vicky, to Carol, and to Ray. Now I made this card this morning. It's a type of a Z fold card. And a good friend of mine gave me a gift, and so I'm going to give this card to her. But I made these pretty little rosebuds for it. So I'm going to show you how to make them. It actually is very easy. So all you're going to need is some lightweight cardstock, and I've decided to use the 65-pound or our regular Whisper White cardstock. You don't want a real thick cardstock because then it will be difficult to fold. And then you will need an assortment of either dies or punches. Now here I have a 1-inch punch. Oops, 1 1/4 inch punch. Who caught that? There's my 1-inch punch. Now I didn't have a 3/4 inch punch, so I had to use a circle die, and then I have a little 1/2 inch punch. These are very easy to make, you guys. You're going to be making them like crazy. And I'm going to show you here all the ones I've been making. Look at these. I've been having so much fun. I got some in Pineapple Punch. I have some in Mango Melody, Grapefruit Grove, and then some more in this Highland Heather. So very, very easy to make. All you need to do is punch out a circle in each of the sizes. Oop, that one didn't want to go. Let's try that one again. Yeah, I needed to press harder. I'm going to get rid of that one so I don't accidentally use it. And then this size. So I have 4 here, and sometimes I did 3, sometimes I did 4, sometimes I did 5. So then you take your ink color, and today I'm going to be using Highland Heather, and you're going to bring in just a little sponge dauber, and you're going to sponge ink all around them. Now the nice thing about these little daubers, if you look real close, it gives you just kind of like a feathered look or a streaky line look, and I like that. And then the edges are just a little bit darker. So you're just going to go all the way around them, adding just a little bit of ink. I would love to see your projects that you make with these flowers. And the last one, there's just this little bitty 1/2 inch one. Just a tiny little bit of ink around each one. Then all you do is take your circle, turn it over, fold it at about halfway or 1/4 way, and then bring the other side in to form kind of like a little cone or a V. Again, turn it over, fold it in, bring the other side in at an angle, and that is it, you guys. Again, if you had a thicker cardstock, I think it would be a little bit more difficult. So then what I did is, because up here at the top there was no ink, I came in again with my sponge dauber and added just a little bit of ink up there. And then if it didn't look like there was any ink on the side, then I just added a little bit there. Again, up at the top of each one, just a tiny, tiny bit. So actually you just see a lot of that white. Might just put a little bit there. That's it for the coloring. Then you bring in your glue. Start with your smallest one. Open it up, just a touch of glue in the middle. Fold it over. Touch of glue there. Fold it over again. I think that's more than a touch, but that's all right. Then a little bit of glue on the back. Bring in the next size in, open it up, lay that one in there. These small ones, they're a little finicky to do. See, I got extra glue there, but that's okay because when I close it, it's going to hide it. So then a little bit of glue on both sides. See? Easy peasy. A little bit of glue on the back of this one. Slide it into your next one where you want it. Little bit of glue in the middle on both of the insides. Fold it over. And then the last one. And like I said, some I did 3, some I did 4, some I did 5. Looks like this one's going to be a 4E, 4-1, a 4E. Oh, I'm slap happy today. That is it. Put a little bit more glue over here. There you go. Then all I did was bring in a little bit of glue, added it right there. Some of my Stampin' Pearls, and added one to the top there. You could do some really small ones, and I did do some that are very, very small. You could also use some of our glimmer cardstock or glimmer paint with the alcohol and spray them to make them shimmery. And so now I'm going to real quick bring in the product that, or the project that we're going to make in my next tutorial. It is this cute little box for dimensionals. So it is 3 different compartments. This is for our black dimensionals. This is for our regular size dimensionals. And this is for our mini dimensionals. And I used our Pressed Petals Designer Series paper. And you can see it's got 3 different boxes. Well, actually, I take that back. It's 2 of the boxes and only 2 sides here. I'm going to show you how I did that. And then some of our pretty ribbon all around it. So that is going to be my next video tutorial, because we all need one of these on our desk. Thank you for joining me, and I would love to see whatever projects you make with your flowers. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, tell your friends about me, and show me what you create. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Talk to you guys later.